Step into the 2017 Ford F-250. Delivering style and power in a single package. From the 6.2-liter standard V8 gasoline engine to the 6.7-liter optional diesel engine, the Super Duty is provided with more than enough power to tackle any job.
Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape. Trailer sway control comes standard on the F-250 Super Duty.
Top features include air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and much more.
Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. The F-250's safety canopy airbag system with roll-fold side curtain airbags ensures all-around passenger safety throughout the cabin.
The 2017 Ford F-250. There is no mistaking this truck for anything but extraordinary.